Hey guys, figured it's time to start working on Mocha. I gotta fix a couple things on here, window regulators, something with the motor in the back. Gotta do something about the windshield wiper engine. It's kind of weird. Moves and it stops. I don't know if it's electrical or something else like that. I'm not sure. Could be the switch. I have to hop in here and give it a little look see. Not too much, but yeah, I don't think it's anything bad. I think one of the blinkers, driver's side, that has an issue. It's intermittent, so that's gonna have to get looked at. What else we got to look at on this thing? Got to look at the motor. The motor. Couple different things with the motor. The shroud around it. We got these, wow, little blowguns here. These are cool. I don't know if anybody's ever seen a set of blowguns like this, but they're pretty sick. I'm digging them. I already replaced the carb, the intake, so now it needs to be tuned a little bit. It idles. Compared to before, it was just revving like crazy high. Now we're good. Pay no attention to this. This is getting changed. This is just temporary for now, just so we get it running and tuned, then it'll be fine. Do a couple of little things. What else we got to do on this? I think that's it. Everything else, oh, no horn. So I don't know if I'm going to get into that. Apparently most of these ones I've seen, the horns never work. They take them out. They're always missing. This one is also missing. So I got to fix the seats a little bit, the interior. This, I think it has to be glued. A couple things are coming off. But other than that, it's pretty decent. I like the lowered beam. Not such a fan of a narrowed beam. I don't like tuck, really, in fenders. I like them just kind of where they're supposed to be, right in the center. I don't like poke either, so the back has a little bit of poke, but just a little. Tire's a little too high for me. We got 14s in the front, 15s in the back. I'm not really a fan of that look. A little too much meat on those back tires. Love the pop-outs. So I took the panel off the door and the glass. The glass wasn't in where it's supposed to be mounted. It was just sitting up, and the seals were just holding it in. So I had to press that back down. There's a rubber seal in here, just pressing it down. It's pressed in now. I don't see a problem now, so pretty good here. All good. That one's good. I gotta move on to the other side. So we got the same issue with this door, and I gotta take off the handle, take off the door card, and see what's going on with this one. Oh yeah, we got some mold. It'll do. Not good. Let's replace those. See what we got. As you see, the window's not going down. We're going up, that's why. Oh, just like the other side. Not in the track. I don't know if I'm going to use this. I sandblasted it through some rust inhibitor in the center. But I don't have a seal, not really a seal, little rubber piece that sits in this channel that hooks to the window and it press fits in here. So I don't know. I think I'm going to make a call to one of my buddies.
Wheelies or no?
So, do you have a spare like door laying around with the window still in it?
What year?
67.
Yeah.
I need the little bracket that holds the window on the track, and there's a rubber piece inside it. Mine's a little rusty on this side, on the passenger side, and I don't have any rubber.
Yeah, 67 oval.
Yeah, 67 oval.
I don't know, it might be a 1 year only door, one of one.
So he's got one. So he thinks. I think I'll be heading down there. That was Jason, 5150. So I don't want to put this door back together without those pieces. So we're just gonna secure this glass and then fall, or just put it down here. No slamming doors, and we'll go from there. So, just pulled in to Jay's shop, 5150, to grab this part from my door. You got this?
Window regulator, yeah.
Yeah.
Of course I do. How many do you need?
I just need one.
One?
Just a single.
Buddy, I sell them in a 12-pack.
Whoa, what's on the lid? What is this?
Buddy, I haven't even seen this
No.
yet. You can't just spill the beans.
There it is.
What else you here for?
I was gonna get some door cards,
That's
but
the worst one I had, so it's yours.
well, here it is. Let's go back from Jason's, pick up the part, get this put back in, get this door buttoned up, and we'll call it a day. Thanks guys for dropping by, checking out my first video, and checking out this video. You might see more in this car, you might not. I don't know if I'm going to do anything else to this car. I don't even know if I'm keeping this car. So, I guess just stay tuned. Thanks guys, we'll see you.
What, you use it and then you empty it and then you put it back on my workbench?
I didn't use any of that.
Oh no.
I just got here.